Welcome back for tutorial 3. This tutorial will be showing you how to use the layering function in Adobe Illustrator. A very useful tool to not complicate things. So this will be short and sharp, but it'll be very knowledgeable. So here we've got our other rough avocado outline. We've got our good one and our image. We're going to separate these. There's the layer tab on our right hand side. Click onto that. We're doing everything on the one layer. What we can do is separate these so we can hide them and lock them and organize them. So you might want to have one over the top. Here we've got create a new layer. Let's create a couple of them. We can rename them. So this one can be our image layer. This one can be our, let's name it rough avo. Layer 3, which is our good avo. So how do we change these layers? That's already on the blue layer. There's a blue box around it. There's a blue color there. That's our blue layer. This one. What we want to do is move our rough avo to our red layer. So move this one to there because it's selected, and that's all of a sudden on that layer. What we can do here is we can hide that with that little icon, or we can lock it. We can't move it. Now good avo. Let's lock our image so we don't move that. We can select all. Oh no, that's already on ours, so we can't do that. What we can do is move that to the top, select all our other pieces. So what we can do to select all is hold down shift as you select all the parts that you want, and then we can move all of them. Now that is all on our good avo layer. It's that simple. So if we want the image to be in front, we have it on the top. Let's change the opacity back to 100% so you know what I'm on about. That is now on the top. If we want it on the bottom, drag to the bottom. If we want to hide our rough, we can hide it. Layering. Very useful tool. I'll show you how useful it can be when we start playing around with the shapes and creating cartoons from shapes.